My people, we need to level up. Life continues. They don't fit kill us. They don't fit kill us for this country. NCDC, you dey lie. As NCDC talk say, COVID don't increase. Me say if I can't feel somehow, I no feel breathe very well. I no feel anything. I can't wonder say, shame not true be this COVID. Shame go catch me if not true. Now I take style. I go check myself. As my results land, COVID free. I first drink Gary. Me where I no fit drink Gary. I say make it no go affect my breathing. So NCDC, make una go check that on a list where my name no dey. Make we level up. Come. You know, say during this SARS, all of us we stress ourselves seriously. And me, I dey always give time for something. Some of us never come back. Our skins don't dead door, the heat, the burns, everything. We cool down. I dey here for now. Nothing do now. We die here, gang. See, the matter very simple. We go level up the matter now. I go give you now one recipe. We be say, and either they call general overseer recipe. You go work for your hair. You go work for your oral infection. All the fun way they get adenoids, inflammation, tonsillitis, toothache, mouth odor, your tongue no dey white. My own, you know they white. All those things, liver. We go do everything now. See, you could just need 4 things. Spirit. Number 1, I've got tingu. I won't make una dey get her because that one go take her. You go need clove. You see her. See clove. If you no get, chat tell me. Or what you this that way? Chat tell me. Go need salt. See, if I don't take salt, swear for you or talk your matter, your life must be better again. Now salt, then they take destroy them, and now salt, then they take maker. Salt is the healer and the destroyer. So we go take salt, heal and repair waiting don't spoil. Now it's very simple. Make una they get come for the house. So now it be the matter. See, you go need 1 thing too. Coconut oil. Coconut oil or olive oil. Olive oil better. They help body absorb iron well. Make they use olive oil. Make they use olive oil they eat. Make they drink. Make they take and do general plenty things. They can wash head office. If you take olive oil, wash head office like this, you go come out some gingerbread teeth with it. Coconut oil, let me tell you. Come. Our matter very simple. Those of now we get face we don't burn. Those of now we they get egusi for face. Those of now we be say you get some spots and some scars. When on a bleach finish, the spot go still remain there. They know they give on a scar removing cream. Go make we find solution to your problem now. We go remove all those scars where they come out. Those of now where on our hair they dry, where you know they glow, where you know they shine. We go take this simple therapy. Do it. Make una just follow simple instruction. No need to slide to my DM. Just follow the instruction where I give you. You see this olive oil, this clove. You go take them. Make the counter. You go count like 20. You see this bottle oil, this small one. You go put them inside. When you put them, leave them. You don't get clove oil with that. You know, say an antiseptic. So on its own, you go diffuse in nutrients inside. And clove very good for vitamin C. Those of them where they get cold all the time. Very good. Come, you see that clove too. You go come put them inside ordinary kumkum. You go put them soak them with water. You see them. When you do them like that, make you leave them for your bathroom. Nothing do them. You know they spoil. You go just they more concentrated. You go they dilute them to water. You see, you go take clove water. If you want to do makeup, when you want make the makeup stay well, you want come out scar, pimples, freckles, anti-jaundice, conjunctivitis, all the war where then they fight for your face. You could just take the clove water, clean up. Those of them that get sensitive skin, you could mix small coconut oil. You could take and clean up. No matter what you see, it go bring out something. Something they always did this face, yeah. So those of them that way on a spot, know they go for pimples. You could take and clean up. Come, I want to discuss something very important with you now. But I don't know how to go take the matter. Now they call sex language. People where they complain, say my husband they cheat, my wife they cheat. I want to ask you that one question. Do you know your partner's sex language? When your partner they do I like this, you know what they talk. See, some of you go see una men. You yourself, you go believe say you don't plenty, you too much. You can't see the small girl, the dirty, scruffy looking girl where your boo-boo they follow. The girl understanding sex language. If they give her sex the way where the man like her. And the same way you go see say na get man they shag your wife. You go dey phone busy for work, you dey phone and looking for money. That money where you dey find, your sex language where you know fit talk with your wife, una no know how to communicate. That's why una no dey get sexual satisfaction. The gate man don dey fire your wife. If they understand am, whether she dey like make her one leg dey up, you dey do baki. Matter don scatter. Sex language is very, very good in marriages and relationship. It dey protect and prevent infidelity, because if you don't understand the pattern, the style, and the way your partner wants sex, another person go give am. If don't go give am, and una go dey get problem. You go say, I did everything for her. I buy her clothes, I buy her shoe. Leave that one. No be that one the thing dey shop. Now oxytocin dey control that thing for body. If the agro don't happen like this, if you no fit give am the way you want am, you go go charge the battery somewhere else. So now they cause one of the major problem. And let me tell you, man and woman, when una bang una self tire finish, don't be shy. If you know, if you look your woman or your partner face to face, send a message. What was my performance? Give me performance rating. You go say, oh, honey, you try. Honey, you no try. No take them as offense here. Say somebody don't help you sugar. Make you work on yourself. Now, come. That one will be talking a story. You go blend this clove. You see, I don't take my hand. I don't take and blend that now. When you blend the clove, or you take blender, you see, you go just put small salt. When you put the small salt, add water. Mix them. You see, you go mix them. You go rub am for your face. You go open the pores. All the egusi, all the dirt where they there, you go come out, and your face go look glowing and soft too. No matter how rough your face is, if this thing no work, make one follow me. And they always talk, you see, rubber. When you rubber, now salt and clove. Clove is very powerful. Those of you where you want to do fat burning, seriously, 6 clove, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tatache, inside 1 small bottle water. If it no happen, no follow me. Belly fat, detox. See, make I tell you something where they always tell people. If you no purify the inside, if your blood is not purified, if you dey use some things, it go be like say they no work, because the inside no good. So you need to take care of the inside, and you need to take care of the outside. You see this sex language. Make you go house today. Ask your husband, let us start afresh. How do you like it? How do you want it? How do you need it? Let me make you feel good, baby, by giving to you. Give am. You know, you go see say no, you no go follow that concretion again. Give am. You go see say your wife go dey lawyer. You no go find out where they do. Una most of them evaluate the thing. Level up your Play Store. Some men, then they like better way dirty. Some men, then they like that natural odor where they come from area. You go dey douche every second. If your husband do like this, me, if Lati they come up and down for house, I don't know say Lati won't do. No be saying money they think of, no be anything. Now I wanna do. So I go give her. I go lay flat. I go give him. Sometimes when you find your man is not comfortable, cranky, doing that, he won't shop. No be the egusi where you won't cook, the man won't shop. No be that one. I don't teach you everything. So you see this coconut oil or olive oil where you can soak and leave and there. You put them for your front line. You can take and put them all over your hair. You go help your hair to the shine and it go glow. All these seeds are not all those things. They're very, very powerful. Come. We could take this clove boil meat. If you take and boil meat, kasa malakasa. Now no recipe. If you want to moisturize your body to make you want your skin today subtle and soft and glowing and glossy, make you put on for your cream. Make you put the powder for your cream, for your oil. You could take and rub your body. Everything will be alright. Come. This thing no hard as we dey think. So I don't tell you now. Make you just put cumin seed, tatache, and make you just put small oil. If you get cinnamon, put on. Make you dey drink every morning. You go feel good. You go dey glow. You go dey shine. Now so the matter be you. See all this our hamper politicians leave their matter. When they come back on me, all the people who get honorable for the area, make you dey disturb your honorable. Now then you get business with. Now then you appoint. Now then you go talk your problem. When they say no, say they no they okay. Their guys go listen to them. So my people, clove recipe with salt, coconut oil is the level up to make your face re-glow, re-shine. Because if you no glow, I'm not sorry.